Standard 1. Subject English. Hello, boys. Very soon we will begin with our evaluation tests. So, today let us do some revision. We have learned the lessons We Are Opposites, A Surprise for Grandma, and Sham's Horse Cart. Today we will do the revision question wise. So, let's begin. Question 1. Unscramble the words. First word, the letters that are given are R, B, M, E, P, L, O. So, boys, we have to arrange these letters so that we get the correct word. So, P, R, O, B, L, E, M. Problem. Next word, L, E, F, L. Let us arrange in correct order. F, E, L, L. Fell. Third one, A, E, C, O, K, C, P. Let us arrange P, E, A, C, O, C, K. Which word is it? Yes, it is peacock. Fourth one, I, E, L, G, T, H, D. D, E, L, I, G, H, T. Delight. And last one, A, I, N, G, A. Let us arrange A, G, A, I, N. The word is again. Now, question 2A. Give meanings of. First one, treat. Treat means celebration. Boys, repeat after me. Treat, celebration. Treat, celebration. Second word, busy. Busy means having a lot to do. Boys, repeat. Busy means having a lot to do. Let us repeat one more time. Busy means having a lot to do. Third word, helter skelter, means confusion. Boys, repeat after me. Helter skelter means confusion. One more time. Helter skelter means confusion. Fourth one, panting, means out of breath. Boys, repeat. Panting means out of breath. Boys, let us repeat. Panting means out of breath. Fifth word, frightened, means afraid. Frightened means afraid. Boys, repeat. Frightened means afraid. Question 2B. Give opposites. First one, sit, stand. Boys, repeat. Sit, stand. One more time. Sit, stand. Second one, come, go. Come, go. Boys, repeat. Come, go. Third one, worry, happy. Boys repeat, worry, happy. One more time, worry, happy. Fourth word, loudly, quietly. Boys repeat, loudly, quietly. Loudly, quietly. Fifth one, happily, sadly. Boys repeat, happily, sadly. Happily, sadly. Sixth one, near, far. Near, far. Boys repeat, near, far. Seventh one, after, before. After, before. After, before. Eighth one, in, out. In, out. In, out. Ninth one, up, down. Up, down. Up, down. 10th one, small, big. Boys repeat, small, big. Repeat boys, small, big. 11th one, stop, go. Boys repeat, stop, go. One more time, stop, go. 12th one, smaller, bigger. Smaller, bigger. Boys repeat, smaller, bigger. 13th one, hot, cold. Boys repeat, hot, cold. Hot, cold. Last one, new, old. New, old. Boys repeat, new, old. Question 2C. Give one word for. First one, to relax or regain strength, rest. Boys repeat, to relax or regain strength, rest. Let us say one more time. To relax or regain strength, rest. Second one, a thing that is difficult, problem. Boys repeat after me. A thing that is difficult, problem. Let us repeat one more time. A thing that is difficult, problem. Third one, an object wrapped in a paper parcel. Boys, let us say together. An object wrapped in a paper parcel. One more time. An object wrapped in a paper parcel. Fourth one, the amount of space between two things, distance. Boys, repeat after me. The amount of space between two things, distance. Boys, let us say one more time. The amount of space between two things, distance. Fifth one, with no noise, quiet. Boys, repeat after me. With no noise, quiet. Let us say one more time. With no noise, quiet. Sixth one, jumped quickly, sprang. Boys, repeat after me. Jumped quickly, sprang. Let us say one more time. Jumped quickly, sprang. Question 3A. Who said to whom? First one, are you tired, Grandma? Sohan and Sweetie said to grandma. Boys, repeat after me. Are you tired, grandma? Answer. Sohan and Sweetie said to grandma. Let us read one more time. Are you tired, grandma? Answer. Sohan and Sweetie said to grandma. Second one. Oh, a mobile phone. Answer. Grandma said to Sohan and Sweetie. Boys, let us read. Oh, a mobile phone. Answer. Grandma said to Sohan and Sweetie. Boys, let us say one more time. Oh, a mobile phone. Grandma said to Sohan and Sweetie. Third one. Come on, Sohan. Come on, Sweetie. Answer. Grandpa said to Sohan and Sweetie. Boys, let us read. Come on, Sohan. Come on, Sweetie. Answer. Grandpa said to Sohan and Sweetie. One more time, boys. Come on, Sohan. Come on, Sweetie. Grandpa said to Sohan and Sweetie. Fourth one. Can we come? Answer. Madhu and Meera said to Sham. Boys, repeat after me. Can we come? Answer. Madhu and Meera said to Sham. Let us say one more time. Can we come? Answer. Madhu and Meera said to Sham. Fifth one. Come and sit near me. Answer. Sham said to the frog. Boys, repeat after me. Come and sit near me. Answer. Sham said to the frog. Boys, let us repeat one more time. Come and sit near me. Sham said to the frog. Question 3b. Fill in the blanks. First one. Sunday is a holiday. Boys, repeat after me. Sunday is a holiday. Let us say one more time. Sunday is a holiday. Second one. Grandma has been busy today. Boys, repeat after me. Grandma has been busy today. Let us say one more time. Grandma has been busy today. Third one. Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit Grandma and Grandpa. Boys, repeat after me. Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit Grandma and Grandpa. Let us say one more time. Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit Grandma and Grandpa. Fourth one. They were going through the fields. Boys, repeat after me. They were going through the fields. Let us say one more time. They were going through the fields. Fifth one. But one feather touched the dog's ear. Boys, repeat after me. But one feather touched the dog's ear. Let us say one more time. But one feather touched the dog's ear. Sixth one. In the evening, they returned happily in the horse cart. Boys, repeat after me. In the evening, they returned happily in the horse cart. Let us say one more time. In the evening, they returned happily in the horse cart. Question 3c. Answer in one word. First one. Who are going to visit Grandma and Grandpa? Answer. Sohan and Sweetie. Boys, let us read together. Who are going to visit Grandma and Grandpa? Answer: Sohan and Sweetie. One more time. Who are going to visit Grandma and Grandpa? Sohan and Sweetie. Second one. Who has been busy today? Answer: Grandma. Boys, repeat after me. Who has been busy today? Answer: Grandma. Boys, let us read one more time. Who has been busy today? Answer: Grandma. Third one. Where do Grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie work? Answer: kitchen. Boys, repeat after me. Where do Grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie work? Answer: kitchen. Let us read one more time. Where do Grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie work? Answer: kitchen. Fourth one. What is the surprise for Grandma? Answer: a mobile phone. Boys, repeat after me. What is the surprise for Grandma? Answer: a mobile phone. Let us read one more time. What is the surprise for Grandma? Answer: a mobile phone. Question 5. How did Sham go to the fair? Answer: in his horse cart. Boys, repeat after me. How did Sham go to the fair? Answer: in his horse cart. Boys, let us say one more time. How did Sham go to the fair? Answer: in his horse cart. Question 6. Who was frightened? Answer: Madhu. Boys, repeat after me. Who was frightened? Answer: Madhu. Let us say one more time. Who was frightened? Answer: Madhu. Seventh one. What touched the dog's ear? Answer: one feather. Boys, repeat after me. What touched the dog's ear? Answer: one feather. Let us say one more time. What touched the dog's ear? Answer: one feather. Last question. Who fell on the horse? Answer: frog. Boys, repeat after me. Who fell on the horse? Answer: frog. Let us say one more time. Who fell on the horse? Answer: frog. Boys, we have revised all the questions from the lessons we have studied. Study well for your test. All the very best. Thank you.